Hey guys, we are back here working on the Fairlane again. As you saw from the little clip in the beginning, went and did a tune and test over the weekend here at our local track, and just doing a little bit of quick maintenance here, checking things out. I went through and checked lash. This cam is a solid roller, and you know, I periodically check just to make sure that the lash is set right. So, probably never shot a video of this engine with the valve covers off. These are Precision Oil Pumps rockers. If you are building an FE and you're going to have any real performance application, his rockers, his stands, spacers are second to none. This is all very good stuff. So call Doug at Precision Oil Pumps if you really want some really nice high quality pieces. Of course, totally adjustable, very nice, very strong. If you can see these end stands, the way these end stands are made, adds a huge amount of strength to the FE setup. I have these set up, they still oils through the rockers. I could have changed it to oil through the push rods, but I didn't. So, just didn't see a lot of need to do that. But the push rods are Smith Brothers, one piece. I had those made to my specs. So right now we're in the middle of draining oil, and it looks good. We've had some problems in the past with these 660s. They want to, I don't know if it's these bodies or what it is, but they tend to want to dump gas. They tend to percolate gas once they get a little heat in them. So I bought some laminated wood spacers we're going to put under there. So hopefully that'll help insulate that and take care of that problem. But to this point, it doesn't look like, you probably can't see it down there, but it doesn't look like there's any gas in that oil or anything. But with that problem, you know, it wanted to, it kept trying to wipe the bearings. So I think we finally got that problem pretty well eliminated. I think we're in the clear. Everything looks pretty good. So racing didn't quite go the way, well, it wasn't racing, it was a tune and test. Didn't quite go the way I wanted it to. We had some issues. First pass, it bogged. Second pass, some fool decided to leave in third gear instead of first. I wouldn't recommend it. And then I made a third pass, and it made a decent pass, but we didn't get any video of it. Just not paying attention, not thinking. They were just about done with the tuning test session, so I kind of hurried around and forgot to record it. So anyway, the car ran good. I mean, as far as of course the engine is very healthy. The new Jericho worked awesome when you don't leave in third gear. When you put it in first gear, hey, man, you're on a ride. But in third gear, it is really, really lacking. But hey, if you ever wanted to make a 4-speed into a power glide, that's pretty much what I did. But it still went down the track, so I mean, hey, it ran I think it was like an 802 leaving in third gear. So I'm not really embarrassed by that. So anyway, I'm gonna get the oil filter off and have a look in it real quick and see what, just check for any foreign material or anything. So I'll come back to you when we got that off. Okay. Well, we got the oil out of it. Like I said, there's nothing real surprising. Everything you can see there, that's just bubbles where it was running out a while ago. So that oil looks good. Let's pour a little bit of this out of the filter onto this paper towel. Let's see how much of it I can get on here without making a mess. One thing I'm really good at is making a mess. And just have a quick look-see there, just to see if there's any. Yeah, see, there's nothing shiny or anything. It's just, yep. So, looks like we're in the clear. No bearing material or nasty surprises in the oil. And, let me just say, I used to love the FL1A Motorcraft filter. I used it on everything. Everything it would fit on. And they've changed them. They're just not quite what they used to be. So, after all these years, I've pretty much abandoned the FL1A and I've gone to the Wix 51515, which is an excellent filter. And the only reason I put this on here was because they didn't have any of the wicks at the parts store last time I did an oil change on it. So they actually had one of these. So we'll dispose of this properly, and then we'll get the new oil in it and start getting things back together. Okay. Yeah, we got 7 fresh quarts of oil in it. Ready to go. Looks like everything's hunky-dory, so I'm going to wrap it up here, and I'm not going to worry about putting the valve covers on tonight. Probably do that here, I don't know, sometime later this week. I'm not racing next weekend because the weather doesn't look like it's really going to cooperate. Too bad, too, because we're supposed to have a no-prep race at our local track. I was kind of looking forward to, but Mother Nature wins every time, so that's just the way it goes. Once again, there's another quick look at those precision oil pumps. Rocker arms and shafts and spacers. Like I said, look them up online. Precision Oil Pumps. The owner's name is Doug. Great guy to talk to. Very helpful. And a very, very high quality product. So, anyway, hopefully next time we'll be back at the track again. It's probably going to be 2 weeks before we race, like I said, because of the weather. But, like I said before, like, share, and subscribe. Tell your friends, and maybe we'll get some good footage of this thing going down the track eventually, huh? Thanks. Have a good day.